Very good morning to all of you. So I am give you the brief idea about what is the online course on engineering seismology. So if you look at the several natural hazard in the world, okay, the earthquake is the unpredictable natural hazard, okay, which causes several trillion rupees economic loss around the world, and several million people die every decade. Even though there is a advancement on earthquake recordings and processing and technology to design a buildings, still these human losses and economic losses is not minimizable. Particularly country like India and developing countries, so this kind of scenario, the damage due to earthquakes are very high. So the people who are studied BTech, RB or MTech or ME civil engineering, so they understand that there is a seismic code in India, so which is taking care of or giving the guideline for design of buildings. But the informations or the design input given from the seismic code is not up to the state of art knowledge when compared to the developing countries. So that is the reason. So when you look at the damage in India for your typical earthquake when compared to the developed countries, so we will have like one magnitude higher damage. For example, if the magnitude of 6 occurs in US, so the same 6 occurs in India. So the damage caused in India due to the 7 magnitude US equivalent is accounted. So in order to reduce this kind of hazard, so there is a basic need on education, particularly every citizen should aware what is mean by earthquake, so how it causes different damages. Okay, so what are the different way we should enhance our knowledge on earthquake so that this kind of economic and human losses can be minimized. So the objective of this course is basically kind such that the people who have a basic knowledge on mathematics as well as the readings like a +2 qualification can take this course and they can clear this course so that they know what is earthquake, if earthquake comes what to do, okay, so how to take care the earthquake related uh, uh, issues for the common, so and then whom to approach, okay, so how to get knowledge on this and then whom to approach for the particular requirement. So that is the whole motivation. So this course generally gives starting from different type of seismic hazard resulted from the past earthquake, how these earthquakes basically hazard minimized, okay, by educating ourselves, and what are the different past damage histories will be discussed, and then we will also try to understand how the historic time the earthquakes are taken care, okay, so how the historic time these earthquakes engineering try to understand by the human being, okay, what are the development and what is mean by really scientifically earthquake, and technologically you can define what is mean by earthquake, okay, so how this earthquake can be classified, how you can record, okay, what are the instruments are available, how do you can quantify the earthquake, what are the different scales are there, okay, so then how the earthquake hazard can be predicted at a particular location by deterministic and probabilistic way. So this course as such there is no ready-made textbooks are available. So however, so my NPTEL course notes can be referred, and whatever PPT is taught in the class will be sufficient to enhance your knowledge, because we will be updating the course frequently based on the research I conduct as well as all over the world. So because of that there is no dedicated textbook for this course. So those who are willing to take this course, so you should follow up very closely this course content in the PPT and study everything so you can easily clear this course. Okay, so I thank you for the people who are watching this course, and taking and crediting this course. So we will see you in the first lecture soon.